Hi guys, this is another troubleshooting video. In case you cannot find the credit and collection parameter table, then you're in the right place. So what happens here is when you navigate through credit and collection, and typically under setup, you will see this credit and collection parameters like any other module. But here you can see clearly we couldn't find that. And then the next intuitive navigation path is to check the feature management. So here, if I navigate to feature management and let's go to not enabled, sometimes you may not find it either. So from my drop down, let's try if we do credit management, that should be the name of the feature, and applied it. Here, it actually shows it is on by default and the module is accounts receivable. And on the right hand side, you have more clearer picture saying the feature can no longer be enabled through feature management. And now it's controlled by accounts receivable parameters. So what we should do next is go to accounts receivable and then go to setup, enter this accounts receivable parameters. Now from the 43 version, I believe, and above, there is a new tab being added under this AR parameter table, which is called credit management. Here, if we enable this option, credit management, save it, and you need to refresh it, and we can check back again, you will see that credit and collection feature is showing up. So let's see, credit and collections, enter setup. Here you have this credit and collection parameters showing up. All right, so this is a very quick, short and sweet one. Hope this helps you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.